Welcome back to our pronunciation series. Today we have an adorable word for you, penguin. Penguins are fascinating flightless birds that are commonly found in the Southern Hemisphere, especially in Antarctica. They're known for their unique appearance and their waddle. Now, let's focus on the pronunciation. Penguin has two syllables. The word stress falls on the first syllable, penguin. For a pronunciation guide, you can use this here, penguin. Notice that we place an extra sound on that middle G, penguin, penguin. Now repeat after me, penguin, penguin. Excellent. Here's another tip for you. Some people call a tuxedo a penguin suit. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.